welcome back guys to the channel. So back in the garage again, because this week we have a new Evotech Performance exhaust bracket and also the blanking plate. So we're going to get rid of the pillion pegs off of the bike and get this on, so it just neatens up that back bit. So as you can see here in the black there with the Evotech Performance plate and also the bolts. So for this you're going to need a 6mm Allen key to get the bolts off the bike, and then you're going to need a 5 to put them back on with these bolts here. Also a bit of thread lock, and you're going to also need a 12mm socket to get the bolt off the back of the exhaust hanger. So let's get to the bike and start taking bits off. So let's start with these skews at the dot on the bike. It's been raining here the last couple of days, so let's just loosen these off. So this is the side that's going to have the actual full-on blanking plate on it, rather than the actual exhaust. So it's the left hand side of the bike. Just hold those bolts just in case I want to put the pillion peg back on. And then that plate's going to sit just there, that's going to be good. So let's just get a bit of thread lock on the first bolt. Just get that there. It's just so it doesn't vibrate loose. And this is where you're going to need the 5mm. So and that's the first side done in about 2 minutes. Nice, easy, no pillion peg. Well, that's great. Happy days. Let's do the other side. So right at this side, what I'm going to do first is loosen off the bit that actually holds the exhaust on. I've got a couple of bits underneath the exhaust, so once we take this out, that it's not going to just drop and hit the floor, so it's supported, so hopefully it won't drop much at all. Now when you take this section out from the exhaust, you need to keep hold of it because we're going to use that for the hanger itself. So there you go, that's a good, the exhaust didn't actually fall into it. Then just to do these two. So with this bit here, which we'll keep hold of, so you just take the washer off at the back, you can press that bit through, it takes the front bit off, and then poke through it, and then you take that out. So keep hold of that because we're going to put it onto the next bracket. So all I've done now is put the bushing that was on the old pillion peg into the new bracket. So I just did it in reverse, slots in there, snug, perfect. What I'm going to do now is mount the bracket. So I'm just going to get the first bolt and get a bit of thread lock on there. Just a tiny wee touch. Do apologise, just got a phone call as I was fitting on those bolts there. So I've got these fitted on, and they're nice and tight. Last thing to do is just get the actual bolt put on that holds the exhaust on. So got to get the washer that came off with the, when I take the bushing off. Then we're just going to thread that back through, get that all lined up again. There we go. And I'm going to use a locking nut here just to hold it on there. So, and then let's just tighten that up. Should be it. There we go. Nice and tight. And that is it. That is on there. That is looking sweet. Looking very nice. Happy with that. Let's just get some close-ups.